Yeah, the initial training, the 1 week training that we had at the corporate office, or shortly after buying into the franchise, was extremely helpful because I understood at that point, kind of very broadly, the type of services that we provided and how we were going to help seniors and their families. But what the training helped me with, I think the primary thing was just speaking the language. I could now sound like I knew what I was talking about when I was talking about the services. I also got the insides of what an estate sale looked like. What is setting it up? What is pricing it? What's the process? What are some of the resources that we have access to and can utilize? Also just what we have from a corporate standpoint. Some of the marketing materials that are already created. Some of just the information, the know-how type documents that I can utilize so that I'm not having to make a phone call every time I have a question about how to do something. And so being exposed to those things, how to price a job. And again, so I felt like we were at some level flooded with information, but necessarily because there is so much information to learn. And then I have time at the on-site training centers and to actually process more of the information in a real world. So you have that initial 1 week training, you're doing presentations, you're speaking the language, you're learning the ins and outs of the business from kind of a broad level, but then you get to apply it at an on-site training facility, which was really helpful.